Hello dear, my name is Mir Iqbal and I am going to discuss some important slogans which are most important for all competitive examinations. So that in this video I am going to discuss some important slogans. Let's start the discussion of slogans. The first one is a small step for men, a giant leap for mankind. This slogan is said by Neil Armstrong. The second slogan is Nevertheless it moves. This slogan is said Galileo. Galileo said Nevertheless it moves. The third slogan is better to reason in hell than to serve in heaven. John Milton said, better to reason in hell than to serve in heaven. The fourth slogan is, truth and non-violence are my God. Mahatma Gandhi said, the truth and non-violence are my God. The fifth one is, beauty is truth is beauty, that's all. John Keats said, beauty is truth is beauty, that's all. Sixth one is, our sweetest songs are those that tell of saddest thoughts. P.B. Shelley. The English writer said, our sweetest songs are those that tell of saddest thoughts, said by P.B. Shelley, a famous English poet. Seventh number is, all animals are equal, but some animals are more equal than the others. George Orwell said, all animals are equal, but some animals are more equal than the others. This slogan is said by George Orwell. The eighth number slogan is, man is nature. Man is by nature a political animal. Aristotle said, man is by nature a political animal. The ninth number is, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Lal Bahadur Shastri said, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. This slogan, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, is said by Lal Bahadur Shastri. The 10th number slogan is, man is born free, but everywhere he is in chain. Jean Jacques Rousseau said, man is born free, but everywhere he is in chain. The 11th number slogan is, light is the shadow of God. Light is the shadow of God. Plato said, light is the shadow of God. 12th number is, east is east, west is west, and never twins shall meet. East is east, west is west, and never twice shall meet. Rudyard Kipling. The next one is 13th number. Proper study of mankind is main. Proper study of mankind is main. Alexander Pope said, the proper study of mankind is main. 14th number is, religion is the opium of the people. Karl Marx. Karl Marx said, religion is the opium of the people. 15 number is, untouchability is the crime against God and mankind. M.K. Gandhi said, untouchability is a crime against God and mankind. So these are 15 most important slogans which are important for all competitive examination. For watching this video, very thankful to you. Thank you for watching this video.